Guys, so what is going on, man, and welcome to today's vlog. Man, we're getting an extra late start, so tonight is all about the fucking craziness, man. I haven't had the car out in a while, man. Like I said, I broke the front lip and everything. As you can see behind me, man, there's like a huge meet about to get going, so I'm trying to get as much footage as I can, so let's go. Oh shit, already. Fuck. It's a fucking scramble.
I didn't do anything. I'm good. Alright, man, so the first spot just got shut down. This shit was crazy. The cops came in and were literally boxing folks in, dude, giving out citations for trespassing. So we're here right now. It's all lit, man. We've shut down Thornton's, bro. Everybody's out here. We got Mellow Yellow back here. Got a shit ton of other cars out here, man. This shit is crazy, bro. So we're just trying to find another spot, man, and I'll update you guys once we get to a new spot.
Cause I had run flats on and my shit's fucked.
Purchase your tracks today.